Hello friends, welcome to C for Cat. In this video, we are going to see a MATLAB code for plotting coupler curve of 4-bar mechanism. So let's get started. This code is based on the theory and calculation for coordinates of coupler curve, and animation will be carried out with some MATLAB tools. You can download this code from the link available in description. Now let's see how it's work and logic behind this code. The code contains three sections: input parameters, calculations, and plotting and animation. First we will see the first section, input parameters. In the input section, we have to define some variables of 4-bar mechanism like link length A, B, C, D, initial crank position angle theta, coupler angle alpha, and coupler length E. Also it includes some basic calculations like converting the angle degrees to radian and calculating the F as per the theory. Next we will see the second section, calculations. In the calculation section, we have used a for loop for calculation of gamma angle and beta angle, and from that obtain the coordinates of coupler curve in the array of x and y as per the theory of coupler curve. Next we see the plotting and animation section. In this section, we have used some MATLAB plotting tool like title, x limit, y limit, plot, line and line width. For the animation of plotting, we have used pause and delete command at the end of the for loop. In the end section, plotting of the initial position of the 4-bar mechanism with the coupler link. Here the input parameter for the 4-bar mechanism is predefined. We can change the link length initial position as per our choice with the limitation of the coupler curve theory. Now let's run the code. So click on run. So it will simply plot the coupler curve with the animation of 4-bar mechanism. Now close this. Here we can increase and decrease the animation speed by changing the value in pause. Here the pause value is 0.005. If we change the value to 0.1 and run this code, so the animation will be slower. Also we can change the rotation of the crank up to some certain position. Change the last value of theta variable up to 100 and run this code. So it will plot a coupler curve up to the 50 degrees. Now close this and enter here 200 and run this code. Now it will plot a coupler curve up to the 150 degrees from the initial position. So this is the MATLAB code for plotting coupler curve of 4-bar mechanism. Check out the other videos and subscribe this channel C4Cat. Thank you.